Hello fellow golfers, in tonight's video we'll be breaking down the basic bunker shot, one of golf's most overcomplicated shots when it doesn't have to be. By the end of this video I'm going to be giving you the specific tools you need to have proper technique and understanding of what you need to accomplish and the proper drills required to save yourself some strokes when inside the sand. So to begin this process, you need to understand what shot you are trying to execute. What is my lie like? Where is the pin? Where is the lip of the bunker? These are external factors that you must take into consideration when hitting this greenside bunker shot. It is absolutely vital that you have proper club selection based on the scenario and situation at hand. First is going to be ball position. We're going to be placing that golf ball just a little bit forward of where the middle of the stance is. This is going to ensure that you have the proper downward angle of attack and that you're utilizing the bounce correctly. Second, we're going to be talking about weight distribution. Where is my weight? One of the worst things that you can do in short game is have your weight on your trail side. Instead, we need to have a motion where the sternum is set a little bit more to the left to control our low point. Soft flexing in the left leg with a little bit more straightness in the trail leg. Club face a little bit more open, 30 degrees, and again, the higher the shot, the more open that face is going to be. The most important concepts is we're trying to hit the same exact spot in the sand. This is a little bit softer. We're going to be aiming for a little bit of space behind. We can afford to have the bounce enter down at the ground about 2 to 3 inches behind the ball. We're trying to create width, making this club work wide in the backswing. However, we need to have a sharp wrist hinge to begin this motion. We're going to be creating this L with the club folding up to the top like this. And then once we have this leverage, we're now going to snap that right wrist down to the golf ball in order to have that proper low point. We're trying to accomplish this bounce sliding underneath for soft sand shots in order to have that gliding feeling where we're actually not making contact with the ball. The main goal of this shot is to have the sand propel this golf ball onto the green. One of my goals is I'm trying to do a complete swing motion, almost like I'm doing a full swing, but I'm doing it nice and slow. There is no need to swing aggressively at this shot unless you're trying to put spin on it. Instead, I'm trying to do a very fluid motion, completing my swing and hitting the exact same spot on the ground. All right, so we talked about the proper technique and fundamentals when hitting this shot. Next, we're going to be giving you 2 of my best drills in order to help you ingrain this motion and to help you shave strokes in the bunker. This is the first baseline drill that is going to help you with where your strike point is in the bunker. Simply go to the practice tee and draw a line in the sand going straight where you're going to be placing your feet in the middle of. Your main goal with this drill is the club head is going to be bottoming out in the same exact spot every time. You're going to be positioning the ball towards the left part of the line, and you're going to be working on having the wrist snap in the exact same spot where that line is every time. Again, low point control in the bunker is the name of the game. The next drill does not even require a golf ball. Get into your athletic stance, and the main goal is to have the sand stay on the face. The second drill is going to be maintaining the loft on the face during the backswing in order to hit these high, soft bunker shots. What you're going to do is get into your stance in an athletic posture, and you're going to put the sand on top of the face like this. What golfers will do when doing this motion is instead of keeping the face open in the backswing and having the sand go over their shoulders, they'll do a normal swing, go down like this, having the sand come off too quick in front of them. So instead, we need to feel like the palm is almost going to the sky in the motion. That's going to maintain that loft and to allow that face to remain open in the backswing and to slide underneath the golf ball. If you're able to do that in your backswing, you know you have a proper motion with bunker shots.